Hi, East Africa Social Television. Zari's son had an interview and he went like, I don't talk to him. Zari's second-born son opens up on his relationship with Diamond. My name is Juliana. Thank you for tuning. Raphael Semwanga, Zari Hassan's second-born son, has come out to speak publicly for the first time about him, his family, and having Zari as a mother. Speaking on SNS Tanzania, he said he misses hanging out with his friends because South Africa is still under lock. Chris, the interviewer, asked Raphael how it feels to be the son of someone who is famous on social media. He said when they are home, she's not the social media Zari, but when they go out, they have to be very careful. He said living with Zari and his siblings in one house in South Africa and having them around is a very good thing. He proved he's a good big brother to Tifa, his only sister, saying they treat her like an egg when she needs anything as it is. Him and his brothers, it's their duty to give it to her, but the hidden reality is they fight just like any other normal siblings. In line with that, the big question came. Chris asked how it was when Diamond came into their lives and impregnated their mom. I didn't mind because it's who my mother chose, so I can't do anything. If he was making her happy at the time, then that was okay with me, so I just went with the flow, Raphael said. He then asked what his relationship was with Diamond and Raphael. He said, I was in boarding school at the time, so I would only come home a few times. I didn't see him that much, he added. Is there any form of connection now? Do you talk? I don't talk to him because my mom sometimes calls him so he can talk to Tifa and Nilan, but it has nothing to do with us. Raphael added that he likes having many siblings whom he can mentor. He also mentioned one thing about Tifa that we didn't know is that she's very aggressive and likes to fight. The family seems to be very close and they enjoy and love each other's company. Wow. Let's take a look at some of those pictures of Raphael and his siblings.